Cordial saludo, soy Hasblady Pinzón, estudiante de Ingeniería Ambiental del CEAN de Bucaramanga. El día de hoy voy a realizar el video sobre el infograma de la actividad de la unidad 4 de Inglés 2. Entonces, para iniciar, pues voy a explicarles sobre lo que realicé en mi infograma en inglés. My holidays. I was in Barbosa, Santander, with my family. We have worked for months in juniors, kids, and happiness. We enjoy Suarez Rio Festival at the Jenner Cabo, the Voiders, Fudulot, and Tercudilet. We did see them you left together at the family, she's as delicious dinner and enjoy and delicious coming. Es recomendat people want a mat nice. Es necessary people and with wear sunscreens. It is important that the wear colors for cold and of weather. It is good that to God festival that the place in the river Suarez is the better to work hacker. Is this what dia to take children to that part. It's recommended you enjoy the world in the countryside. It's necessary that you leave the carnival. It is visit Barbosa Santander and had children as the Parker plans to say to that Met Park at night to enjoy of the fun and attraction on the park. Keeping people happy is important to us because it and people and freedom good day naturally to produce their best work. Had the tradition to perform the carnival on the 1st January in the fringe of Barbosa, where his family, friends, and acquaintances with water, fun, floor, and good music, visit and select plan. Thank you.